Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. What do you do after you've completely run out of ideas for what to do a video on? Well, in today's lesson, we're going to learn about writer's block. Let's get started. Okay, so check it. Having never experienced writer's block myself, especially right now, it can be hard to understand what it is exactly. From what I gather, writer's block is a phenomenon in which a producer loses the ability to make new shit songs or experiences a creative retardation. Now, the question is what to do about it. After all, Uncle Joe doesn't stop drinking just because he feels uninspired. He knows that if he wants to be a professional alcoholic, that bottle of scotch is going down his throat no matter how much blood he threw up the night before. And the same is true for music. If you're feeling stuck, try committing to at least an hour of beats every single day and time it. Chances are the first couple hours are going to be excruciating, like Derek talking. But after a while, these hours can actually be quite fruitful. Remember, it's all about finding a balance between forcing yourself and not forcing yourself. If you're forcing yourself to make music every single time, chances are you're going to start hating it very soon. But if you're only working when the inspiration strikes, your output probably isn't as prolific as it could be. And if all else fails, scream. Ah! Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, consider becoming a supporter of my Patreon page, where you can get access to exclusive video content and one-on-one time with yours truly. I'm Underbelly. Have a great day.